Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we've got a fantastic product to share with all you DIY enthusiasts out there. If you own a tractor, mower, or any other equipment without a cup holder, you're going to love this. We've found the best DIY tractor cup holder on the market, and we can't wait to tell you all about it. Let's dive right in. Introducing the magnetic cup holder, a game changer for anyone who spends time operating tractors, mowers, or even working in the garage. This innovative solution is designed to securely hold your drinks in place, ensuring you stay refreshed and hydrated while you work. Let's take a closer look. First, let's talk about its features. This magnetic cup holder is made of SUS 304 stainless steel, known for its rust-resistant properties. In fact, it's superior to 201 stainless steel or iron carbon steel, which can rust over time. So, you can trust this cup holder to last for years. Now, the key feature of this product is its super strong magnet. Once attached to a flat metal surface, it won't budge. Whether you're on a bumpy tractor ride or mowing the lawn, your drink will stay right where you put it. And if you need to reposition it, just pull it off and stick it back on. It's that easy. Worried about scratches? Don't be. This cup holder is designed with a thick 304 stainless steel material and a protective rubber coating on the magnet, ensuring it won't scratch your equipment surface. This magnetic cup holder is incredibly versatile. It's suitable for any flat metal surface like trucks, cars, tractors, mowers, forklifts, or even your toolbox. The cup holder measures 3.3 inches in diameter and 3.3 inches in height, making it a perfect fit for most cups, cans, bottles, tumblers, and more. Installation is a breeze. Just find a suitable metal surface, attach the magnetic cup holder, and you're good to go. It's a DIY project that anyone can handle. Now, let's talk about the price. You won't believe how affordable this magnetic cup holder is. At just $9.39 for one, it's a small investment for a lot of convenience. And for those who need more than one, there are great bundle deals available. In conclusion, if you're tired of juggling your drinks while working on your tractor or any metal surface, the magnetic cup holder is the solution you've been waiting for. It's durable, versatile, and incredibly practical. Say goodbye to spills and hello to convenience. Don't miss out on this fantastic DIY accessory. Click the link in the description below to get your magnetic cup holder today. And while you're at it, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for more exciting reviews and product recommendations here on Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and happy DIYing!